Okay. So, so we added, Richard Gibson added this text after the feedback from last time that documents the permanent bidirectional stability. And the remaining thing, which we have not checked yet, is we purposely did not declare that order of operations are resolved because we wanted to find out whether there were any implementation concerns. For example, sometimes a difference in order of operations, which is observable but doesn't matter at all to the JavaScript programmer, might enable a more efficient implementation. We have not received any such feedback. By the explanation of the purpose of the stages, we don't have to get that feedback before 2.7 if we're willing to accept this as the normative spec until we get feedback to the contrary. And the spec that we've adopted was a reaction to the previous feedback we got, which was that slice to immutable, which is the only case where this arises, should just be literally as close as possible to slice. So we just added this this range error exception over here to keep these things as close as possible, including both the order of operations and whether they throw or silently do nothing. So basically, this is all the engines implement slice right now. I've not heard any complaints about slice forcing them to do anything especially inefficiently. So I would like the committee to approve that this is the normative spec going into stage 3, still of course subject to stage 3 implementer feedback. This is the PR against Test 262, written by Peter Hoddy, co-champion of Moddable XS. So, this is the actual formal explanation of stage 3, the status, the entrance criteria, and the purpose. So any questions, and may I have stage 3?
All right, let's
I'm
go to
sorry.
the queue first.
And now, I'm sorry, now I will also stop recording.